Okay, so this will be video number 1 of the freshen up of my 70 Monte Carlo. Just gonna kind of show you the car, what it still looks like now. I've had this car since I was 13. I'm 33. Still a real nice car. It's got nice green interior, but all this stuff here is gonna be for sale. I'm gonna be selling the whole interior out of this car. I already got a few pieces sold I've got to take out, but I'm gonna keep the interior together as of right now. Perfect door panels, all that good stuff. Of course, this car is 100% rust free. Just wanted to give you a before, and then I'm gonna be keeping the car white. I'm gonna put a 454 in it, make it a super sport clone, and this, since it's my car, the one I'm always gonna keep, I'm just gonna make it the way I want it. So got to take this back off. This hasn't been on here long. That turned out real nice there. So got a good running 350, 182,000 miles, and just still runs this slick. It's kind of a shame to even take this car apart. It's just so nice still. It was painted in 2002. It still looks good. That's going to be getting freshened up. So let's take a look in the trunk. This hadn't been long, put an antique tag on it, but nice in the trunk. I'm gonna try to not make a mess back here because it's real nice here. There's not gonna be a whole lot of dust sanding on this car. It's mainly gonna be wet sanding. Of course, this is gonna get painted, so this trunk rubber will have to be pulled out. That'll be fun because it was glued in there a long time ago. And I backed this car through the garage door a couple years ago, so scratched the paint and a few things. So gonna fix that. Luckily, it wasn't no major damage. It kind of scratched the deck lid too, but nothing real bad. So things happen. So of course, some of you may be seeing this video in the future, but I'm going to be selling the air conditioning system off the car. It works. I'm going to be selling the fan shroud, stuff like that I'm not going to be reusing. The hood is going to be for sale, and like I mentioned before, the entire interior, the back bumper, headlight bezels. I think I'm going to just stick with this front bumper because it's an older re-chrome from the early 2000s and it's still in good shape. It was an original. Probably going to reuse this grill, just freshen it up with some silver because it's kind of turned a little bit. It's been in there since 2012. I'm going to be upgrading the mirrors, so we got one little spot of issue to fix here. As you can see, the air conditioning system there, it's new. I wasn't real crazy about this hose. To me, it was kind of too short, but of course, I probably need to pull these wheels and tires off while I do the work, keep crap off of them. But with selling these parts, we're basically starting now on basically the end of an era here. This green interior is going to be going away. Still in really good shape. Could use a sew up here on the seam, but of course can't save the headliner. But a rat chewed a hole in it back here, but that's pretty much the only thing that's wrong inside. Hopefully I can find a steering wheel that'll better match that wood grain, or then again I may just go back like I did the red interior and do a color matched steering wheel. So those are just some of the plans. We're going to stick with the overdrive transmission. Again, 454 engine, vintage air. It's going to be a full red interior. I already have that, just like the black car. I'll be putting the full halo roof back on the car. I still have that trim from all those years ago, fortunately. I didn't sell it when I was a teenager, thankfully, so I still got that. Going to be putting new old stock wheel well moldings, anything original parts that I have that's in good shape I'm going to use. The 10-piece set is new, but that may get freshened up. I don't know, depends on the price and the availability. I may just polish that up a little bit and roll with it. Car's going to be getting a respray, of course. Clean the door gaps up, clean the fitment, the flushness, kind of clean some of that up. Just make the fit and finish overall better. It's going to be getting a Chevelle style cowl induction steel hood that I already have. So that being said, thanks for watching. Restoration inquiries in the video description. Look forward to doing more videos on this car with a 59 Chevrolet wrapping up. I'll start a playlist album on this car, and I'll be doing a few more videos on the 59 showing it basically almost done. So I'm probably biting off, like, why don't you just take a rest from, but good time to get started and just go ahead and knock it out. So project should be relatively simple. Of course, I can't work on it every day, have to work on y'all's stuff, but over the next 6 months to a year, we should be seeing some good progress. So anyway, I'm gonna end this video now. Again, inquiries in the video description. See y'all next time.